guys, welcome to Unboxing Sensation, and now we have a haul from Daiso here in California in Hollywood branch. I got a grass for around $4. This is a small yard as well. This is 50 centimeter and 1.64 feet only. There, and their height is 0.78 inches. It's an artificial grass. If you love photography, this is really nice, or any craft you like, you can use this. And if you want to cook a barbecue at home, a Korean barbecue, this is really nice, a great barbecue. Or to cook donut as well. And this is around $1.50. And this one, a plastic container for around $1.50. And if you want to go to Japan but you cannot bring it here because the ticket is maybe expensive or you're in a budget, this is you wanna taste a ramen. This is around $2 each. This is the Japanese ramen, chicken python, and this is soy sauce, Sanrio fun. You can also buy Sanrio cup. This is really great. A plastic cup when you're going to toothbrush. This is great for around $1.50. And my favorite is the Poke Matcha, is around $2. And also the small container seasoning jar for around $1.50. It's really great pack. It's really nice seasoning pack for around $1.50, both of them. And a $2 also if you're anime lover. This is really nice, $1.50. And if you're going to a party or you want to celebrate a party for unicorn or color food, this is really nice. There's a party decoration, shining aura chain. And if you love to make cakes or cupcakes, this is the pastry bag. And if you love this cup, it's really nice. And if you want to drink of this is great. It's kid friendly. And also this cake pastry bag for cream or for icing. This is an icing pipe. This is really nice. It's refillable. You can buy this in Daiso for around $1.50. I like this one. And if you like a pencil, a pink pencil. Oh, it's not a pencil. It's a Sanrio pen. And one thing I really love is this acrylic case. This is 28 cm and 5.7 inches. I like this because it's acrylic and you can see what's inside. You can put your gadgets here or any stylish thing that you want to display on your office or something. This is great. You can put your shoes if ever, and this is the look of this. It's around $1, the stir fry, no preservatives. And this is the cover for the food. This is around $3, the covering of food. And this is around $6, the whole stuffed toy. I love this pot. I got this for around $1.50. It's very stylish, and I got this for a container for around $8. You can put your shoes, any stuff you want to store here. This is a great. And this is how big the grass. This is the grass, the underneath of the grass. It's just a big square, like that. So if you're you make a doll house, this is nice for your doll house or in photography. This is really great.
I like the pot. It looks gorgeous. This is the look when you open the box. I'm excited to try my favorite matcha.
It's yummy.
Oh no, if you are a Thai food lover, try the beef pad Thai. It's so delicious. At Pao Pa.
Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.